We are going to be getting ready for the Wrinkle in Time red carpet premiere. Now, it's actually gorgeous outside. It is, what time is it? 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock exactly right now, and everybody was saying it's going to rain. We're supposed to leave here in 2 hours. The sky looks great. We gotta get ready. I actually had washed my hair the other day, so all I have to do is just kind of like recurl it a bit, put on a ton of makeup, fix Vera's hair. I don't have to fix it. I actually have to curl it. She wants it curly. So I'm just gonna do a video today as much as I possibly can. I don't know when I don't know if they're gonna be telling me I can't film at certain points, but I'm gonna try to film as much as I can to show you guys the red carpet event for A Wrinkle in Time, and we get to see the movie again tonight. So stay tuned. All right, so we are in the process of getting ready. Actually, show the side of your hair that's already done. Wait, I don't want to burn you. Hang on 1 second. I'm also afraid that like this whole thing. You know the video, the curl,
don't say
burn
it
off the girl's head.
Don't say it.
Turn it. Like, look at how good this looks. I mean, I know you can't see, but it looks really good.
You do a great job. You really do a great job.
This is Salon McClellan.
Yeah.
Vera's on a toilet. Not going. She's just on the toilet. Matching pants.
I know. I still want to try to figure out where we got these.
I think YouTube Kids gave them to us.
For Christmas.
Yes.
Maybe with the robe.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, with the robe. Okay, yeah. Totally.
So we're just getting ready.
I love it. All right.
Okay, so the dress is on. It fits. The spray tan was perfectly done. Let me just boost my dress out. Let me go to the full length so you can see. I picked the purple. And watch this. See that? It fans out. I love it. All right, we're getting ready to head out.
Where am I going?
She was very upset about her outfit not being perfectly steamed, so she's going to steam while she has the dress on.
I don't know why it's not going. Come on.
Steam away.
Oh, there we go.
Do you want me to steam it for you while you have it? Want me to do it?
Do you know how to steam?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so we are all ready. Everybody is beautiful. Oh, we gotta go. I gotta take a photo. They're just screaming, so somebody big is coming. There's a Disney. It's Wrinkle in Time. Here we go. Okay, Vera, I'm right behind you. I'm trying to run in a strapless dress. I don't want to get too far behind where Marsha's not going to know. Right?
Running after.
We love the show Blackish. There's the sun right there. What's his name of the show? Junior. It's madness. It's madness. All right, so we don't know what's happening right now. We're all waiting here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's just show you guys all the journalists that are here. We're all waiting for the big stars to come down. Behind the scenes, we're getting all photos along the carpet. It's unbelievable. Alright, so we are now heading into the theater on the blue carpet. Let's see your shoes. Let's get our shoes together. Can we get in sync without falling as we're dancing? Look at this, the billboard.
Where are we going?
He's so Sing it.
I'm gonna let you go.
I hope you feel the same way too. Girl, I do. Alright, we made it. It was a long walk. Over a grate, a mile.
I'm exhausted.
Alright, so we are at the after party. We have the best spot known to man. Lots of people watching. We're seeing lots of stars. And I will try to get as much footage as I possibly can. So I am just back from the incredible night. The movie was absolutely amazing. I mean, it really is. It brings you on such an adventure. And now, we got to see it twice. So, I liked it even better the second time. And really, when you watch it, make sure you listen to all the quotes. Quotes in it are awesome. Went to the after party. We got to see Oprah there. Got to actually get a photo with Ava and Storm and Levi. So a bunch of some of my favorite ABC actors and actresses, and just a great night. I mean, it was just like a wonderful from the beginning to end, to dressing up and feeling all pretty and walking the red carpet or blue. And then just getting back here, it's super late. It's midnight, which means it's 3 a.m. my time. But just what an incredible, incredible night. Awesome opportunity. So I am hitting that bed hard, packing a little bit right now because my flight tomorrow night is a red eye. And that's it. Good night. Peace out. Talk to you guys later.